Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are often recommended for promoting hair growth due to their rich nutritional profile. Here are 4 reasons why flax seeds can be beneficial for hair growth. Omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALAA. These essential fatty acids help nourish the hair follicles and promote a healthy scalp. A healthy scalp provides a conducive environment for hair growth. Vitamin E. Flax seeds are a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can contribute to hair loss and premature aging of the hair. Vitamin E helps protect the hair follicles and promotes healthy hair growth. Protein content. Flax seeds contain a fair amount of protein, which is a crucial nutrient for hair growth. Hair strands are primarily made of a protein called keratin. Consuming an adequate amount of protein helps strengthen the hair shafts and promotes hair growth. Lignans. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which are phytoestrogens that possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the scalp, which can contribute to hair loss. Lignans also have hormone balancing effects, which can be beneficial for overall hair health. To incorporate flax seeds into your diet for hair growth, you can try adding them to your smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baking recipes. It's important to note that while flax seeds can be a supportive addition to a healthy hair care routine, individual results may vary. For significant hair loss concerns, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a trichologist.
Thanks for watching.